I just got the Shark FlexStyler and I'm so excited to try it. I want to do it on my dry hair and just see if I can take this waviness a little bit sleeker on the top and then those bouncy curls. Before I get started though, I did just learn a little bit about how to use it and quick tutorial for anyone who needs it. That button, when you put it down, brings it into this hair dryer mode, and then anytime you're gonna attach something, just clicks right in, and then there's a little tab here. Push that down and it will come out. I wanna do the round brush first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the curls. Let's begin. Just a quick hit of this to get it a little smoother. Let's take this one off. Use the little top part in case it's too hot. And now we have one that says R for right and another one for left. You wanna go away from your face with the curls. So let's start with the right side. First time ever using this. And I probably should have my hair a little more clipped up so we do it in pieces, but let's go for it. Not bad for a first attempt. Okay, so I just held it in place and then I held Cool Shot down for 10 seconds. So that's that one. Let's keep going. I think the hardest thing for me is to remember how to curl away from my face. I don't know why that's so difficult, but you can see me overthinking it every single time. So I think that would be a curl in and this would be a curl away. Okay. And I'm holding it about here. The other challenge is just finding that little blue Cool Shot, which eventually I'm sure I will just be able to put my finger right to it. Okay, but not bad for my first attempt. All right, let's switch it out. So you're gonna hold it from this top part because it's not gonna be too hot, and swap it. I love the ease of swapping these. Wow, that was so simple. And now let's do the left side. Okay, wow. I wouldn't say I did it perfect. You can see there's a few pieces here I need to do. So let me do this back one. But for just doing this really quickly, I'm so impressed. Look how healthy my hair looks. Wow. All right, let's do this last little piece. Done. You guys, holy moly. I was not expecting it to be this amazing. And that's for someone who's the first time ever using it, could barely figure out if I was curling into or away from my hair. It's pretty intuitive. I feel like you really can't mess it up. And this was just a dry hair retouch really fast. I'm also really excited to try this on my wet hair to dry it and get it fully from wet to styled in less time than ever. And so far, I gotta say, this is incredible. You're gonna love it.